Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I'm filming another try on haul for you guys, and this one is super exciting because you guys know that Coachella is on its way. It is literally around the freaking corner. I'm so excited because this year I'm going for the very first time and I'm going with my best friends, so it makes it even better. But anyway, today we are doing a festival inspired lookbook and I'm definitely super excited to show you guys these pieces because they are from BOOHOO. I personally love BOOHOO. I have been loving them for years and years and years. So all these pieces that I'm going to show you guys are a part of their new festival collection. So of course, I'm here to bring you guys the juiciest looks. So let's get started. So I'm actually already wearing the very first two pieces that I want to show you guys. So I love pink, if you guys know me, and I love neon. So neon pink, this was just the vibe for me. I'm so happy that I picked this up because I can wear this if I'm wanting to go out, if I'm wanting to have a nice casual brunch, if I just want to go run some errands, it doesn't matter. So this just ties up and you can, oh my gosh, how chic, how cute is that? And then also you can bring it down how I had it in the first place, and it's just super cute. It's definitely up to you how you want to style this, but it is super cute and comfy, and I love how it has this elastic here. It just makes it a lot more comfortable and it doesn't make you look like big and baggy. It makes you look a little bit more cinched and snatched. And then I also paired it with this little skirt right here. This is of course an essential. I used to have a white skirt for, I would say, like a year and a half that looked kind of like this. It was my go-to. I would wear with everything, but I love these essential skirts because they literally go with everything and they're very cute, and of course they make your curves really stand out, pop out, and look really nice. And I also did have to pick up some sneakers because for festivals, of course, you're going to need to pick up some sneakers because you're gonna be running around through the dirt all day long. So you want to survive, you don't want to be in heels. So these are what they look like. These are so pretty. They go along with the pink on my jacket. Like, I really love these because they have the chunky sole, and of course they have a little pop of pink. And I personally love white shoes. I feel like they go with everything. So a pop of pink, some black, and some white. You can literally wear these with anything. So this is what these little girlies look like. I know, what a nice little pose we have here. So this is what these girlies look like. I know, what a dramatic pose right now. So like I said, I absolutely love how they're a very neutral shoe. They also have a chunky heel because, of course, trendy. We always want to be trendy. And then the pop of pink because it's my favorite color. So love these. I'm definitely going to be wearing the heck out of these. So for my next piece, can we just take a moment for this dress right here? As soon as I saw it on the festival collection, I was like, no, I'm snatching it in my cart right now. So this is the dress right here. She is quite a stunner. She's like a lime green yellow to me. But let's be real, I love it. I've been loving green so much recently. Anything neon, I'm for it. So I completely love the little neckline that it has right here, and it has this white lining to make you look a little bit more snatched. And of course, the neon just really brings it all in together. So this is what she's looking like, super cute and pretty. I love this because it really gives me like that spring festival vibe. Also, another thing that I love about all my BOOHOO selections that you guys will see in a bit is that they are all mostly like tube dresses or like small little thin dresses like this, and I love that because they go along with sneakers so well. I don't feel like I have to wear heels with it. I don't feel like it's gonna look weird if I don't wear heels with it, and that's a big thing for me because I love to be comfortable but cute at the same time. So going along with that, I do have some white little tennies that would look very cute right now. So these are the tennies that I picked up. These are a lot chunkier than the last ones that I showed you guys, and these are just like a plain white, but then they also do have that cute little glitter detailing right here and then right here on the tongue and in the front. And along with it, it does have some silver little buckling right there, which is everything to me. The little details on plain shoes, everything. And again, back with the ankles, of course, I do have my beautiful shoes right here. Look at how cute and chunky they are. They go amazing with this type of dress, so I'm loving this shoe. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, I already know. So if you guys catch me with these shoes super beat up in like a few months from now, just know I love these. Oh my freaking goodness, this has to be my favorite piece that I picked up from BOOHOO's festival collection. Can we just talk about this beautiful like tie-dye cloudy print? It kind of reminds me of like Ariana Grande, so I'm really feeling it. It's really pretty. It makes me feel kind of like a unicorn, so very cute, super pretty. And can we also talk about how this is so form-fitting? It's like really tight, but it feels very airy, so I do love that a lot. So this dress right here really goes with these white tennies that I showed you guys. It just gives you like that very fresh and fun type of vibe to you. So this is her from the front and then from the side and the back. So cute. Also, I wanted to show you guys how versatile these little dresses that you get from BOOHOO are, since they are so airy and thin. I love the fact that you can just use them as a bodysuit. So just popping on these shorts, and then suddenly you have a 2-in-1 dress bodysuit. So look at how cute this little combo is. It's like very fun and fresh. This is what they look like from the back. They just have a very nice fit, and it's very, very hard, let me tell you guys, to find a pair of jeans and shorts that fit me, but these fit me like an actual glove. And when I tell you guys that I am feeling every single piece that I have picked up, I'm not even joking, you guys. So right here, this is just a velour bodysuit, super cute and very freaking comfy. I love this so much. It just says woman right here. We're out here embracing our women with boohoo. My pupper's crying, guys. He wanted to say hi. You want to say hi to everybody? Is that what you're sad? So this is the fit. I love it because you can literally just throw it on and you're already looking super poppin'. So again, it says women right here. You can zip this up or down to make it a little bit more risque, or you can zip it all the way up like this, which also looks pretty freaking cool. It just depends on your mood, but I think today is more of a zip down day. So it has some striping on the side. I love that because it just gives a nice cute little illusion, makes you look a little bit slimmer and like there's more dimension. And then on this side it does say Paris, New York, London woman, and it also is embroidered, so A+ for quality. And I also do have some black tennies, of course. These are super cute. They look just like this. I also do have a white pair, but I have used those up to the moon and back, I would say. But these have a little glitter touch, which is always super fun, especially since you're gonna be in the sun all day. It's gonna be hitting it and your shoes are gonna be looking super glowy, super poppin'. So this is what they look like, but these would look really good with this outfit on right here. So this is what the outfit looks like on, and I love how the black on black makes everything look so much more sleek to run errands, to do my daily thing, and also even if I wanted to go out, honestly. If you guys thought I was done with all the neon pieces, you're wrong, because again, my favorite thing ever. So here I got this snakeskin little t-shirt dress, and it also has these cinched in sleeves, and it's also pretty high necked, so it is like more of a chic, very classy look, but you still look festival and juicy. This is a really good fit because it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's very just like airy and nice. So this is the pattern up close, very chic, very cute. We love a snake print. So this is it from the side and now let's take a moment for this different piece. I haven't worn zebra since middle school, but now it's making a comeback, and let's be honest, guys, I am kind of digging it. I really like this dress for some reason. It is so pretty. Of course, I'm not even surprised. Literally love all these pieces that I chose. The fact that Boohoo has so many prints out right now, and I'm just taking risks wearing all those pieces, I'm very proud of myself. Thank you, Boohoo. So I just love this asymmetrical chest. So pretty and beautiful, and all of this print right here is making me look super snatched, so I really am not complaining about that. So love this dress, and this is what it looks like from the side and the back. It's just overall a very, very cute dress. I love it. And also this is a little bit longer on me, so this is how it actually fits me. Right here, like almost to my knee, since I am pretty short, but I like to scrunch it up a bit just so I don't look too short. Very cute. And now for the last piece. She's a little bit risque, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but this is what it looks like. So right here, it does have that beautiful little cutout. And this little tying right here, I've never had a dress like this before, so I'm very excited, and especially in cheetah print, so pretty. So I'm loving this, very risque, but come on girls, let's be a little bit more daring. So this is what the dress looks like, very pretty. I love how it's form-fitting. Of course, every single dress that I have gotten has been very form-fitting, especially this one and the cloud-like one that I really like, the purplish lavender one. So this is what it looks like from the side and the back. And then of course, again with the versatility, so I just tucked in my dress to these beautiful little boyfriend jeans. These are actually for petite girls. They do have a petite section for petite girls, which I really do love because your girl can never find jeans, like I said earlier, for myself. So these were literally a blessing from above. And I also did get this belt right here that I'm going to put on from Boohoo as well, super cute. Oh yes, we love a versatile dress. Okay, so this is the belt right here. It is super cute. It really stood out to me because I have been loving small little details like this. So also let me just quickly show you guys how nice these pants fit. So this is what they look like from the side. Again, these are for petite girls, and this is what they look like from the back, so very cute and very form-fitting, and they're also not too baggy. And then for the very last thing that I picked up from BOOHOO, these are some blue joggers, and these are super cute. These are great for running errands, so very cute, and they also are very cinched on the top and then very cinched at the bottom. But unfortunately I couldn't try these on for you guys because I did get a size too small, so they were a little bit snug on me. So but this is what they look like. You guys can kind of get the gist. If you guys are going to be heading to Coachella week 1, let me know because I will be there and I'm very excited to meet all of you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.